What I will do, or what rather I am doing here, I am taking the port of the online API. So here just went and looked for extrude feature. I just looked for extrude feature. Extrude, I will extruder, and I will search this term. So once I searched, I found some example. This is the VB.NET example. This is the C# example. Again, I have an example. Let me only search for this API help. Okay, I'm not able to find the exact thing that I need. We'll go to home page. We'll again use extrusion. Maybe I will use feature extrusion. So feature extrusion method to part term. This is, I think, the relevant one that I'm looking. It says that it is obsolete, superseded by feature extrusion. So some, because of the version change in SolidWorks, some interfaces are obsolete, and we need to refer to the latest. Again, there is furthermore latest one is here, Extrude Feature 3. I will go down and try to look for the example. There is no example here. Maybe I will go back to the other example, other page. See this extrusion thin method. Maybe let's see this. Get annotation. Okay. I can't find the example that I picked up. It's straight. So let's, I will search with create extrude this time. It was right keyword to search. So create extrude feature using sketch counter example and C. So I'm more interested in this one, which is the C#. Now I'll copy this and we'll use this into our. First, let's read these few lines here. This example shows how to create a extrude feature using sketch counters. Precondition, this is very important because if you're copying any code from the API help and you're trying to run it, and if you don't meet the preconditions, it will not work. Preconditions are verified that the specified part template open the immediate window. The part template should be, that's it. So this is the part template. Okay, otherwise I don't need to any. So let's copy the entire code as is. Copy. Now I will get inside the console application. Maybe we'll pick up the console application project. This one, which is blank. I will put this in code, or I will paste this entire code here. Okay, that's it. SLD works. I don't need these two lines, I believe. I will just comment these two lines. Then I will copy the rest of two lines which are very important to connect my code with SolidWorks. Now this is why at all we need something like this, because this is the code that we copied from API reference and it should work, but there might be some little tweak that you need to do. So I have copied these two lines, works.sldworks SW, then model doc to SW model. So these two lines in order to connect our code with SolidWorks. We'll comment this line. Now I'm good to, before that I need to also change the part template. So this is the part template file path here. I cannot use this. I need to use the one that's that that that's available in my logo. What I will do is we'll go to SolidWorks. Just need to find out right file path for the template. We'll go to set and here we'll find for default templates. And we'll copy this as, and we'll change that here in my. Now you can notice one thing in this code. There is backslash and it is used twice each time. Okay. And when I copy and paste it here, it also following the same. So no need to wonder or no need to do some manually here. So I copied the template file. as it is available in my local. And now I'm good to save this code. I'm good to build this code because everything else is in place. Main method. Okay, it says that there is no static main method. Why this is? Because when you copy certain code, you need to find out, you need to observe this line public void. What actually do is static void main. Here we don't write this as class or partial. What we do is we write it as static class, and I don't need the pub keyword here in my void, in my main method. Just need static void. That's it. So we'll save this and we'll rebuild or build this again. Console app 2 is built. No error. So like we are on track and it should. Now we'll put a breakpoint here and we'll execute. I will hit a start button, and now we are